In this video, I'm going to briefly instruct you to update your computer, and especially the acer computer. Now, there's 3 steps that needs to be done for you to be updating your computer. And the most important is that you would turn off the computer at least once a week. And it's important to notice here that if you close the lid of the computer doesn't shut down, it will be it doesn't turn it off, and Windows is not able to update updates that needs to be done. So you have to turn off the computer, and I'm saying at least once a week. You can do it more often than that, but once a week, that's okay. Then you should update Windows at least once a period, or at least once a month or so, because even though Windows is doing updates automatically, it's not running all of them without you doing something. So that's really important. And once you've done those updates, you should also run a computer's own updates, again, at least once a period or once a month. And especially if you have problems, let's say with sound or something, most often the problem is that you haven't updated your computer. So that's the most important thing to keep your computer running without problems, is to keep the updates on time. Now I'm gonna briefly show you these 3 steps that how those are done. So first, how do we shut down the computer properly? It's simply going here, clicking the Windows down here, and then you can see the shutdown button here, and then here you just turn it off. So this is the way Windows will shut down the computer properly. If you are using Windows 10, then it would be left down corner. The same thing, you can find the shutdown button there, and you can turn off the computer. So that should be done at least once a week. Now, running Windows updates, you go here, again, clicking the Windows icon down here. You can find the settings, this wheel here, and down here you can find Windows Update. You click there, and then now it says that my computer is on time, but really I need to check it. So you click here, check the updates, and let's see whether it will find any updates or not. So this will make sure that there is not any Windows updates available if it's saying after this that things are okay. So now it's saying things are okay, because actually I just run the Windows update not too long time ago. So now my Windows is up to date. And after that, I can run Acer's own updates. And now what is important here, when you are doing updating, you cannot shut down the computer in the middle of it. So you have to keep the cord in your computer so that you're making sure that there is power enough so that the computer doesn't shut down in the middle of updating. So clicking here the window, I can then finding the programs, and here you should find a control center. This is different names for different computers. For Acer, it's control center. For Dell, it would be, for example, support assistant. So it changes, but you should be able to find your own computer's program to run the computer's updates. So for Acer, it's this control center. So we go there. And here we could do number of things, but most important thing is to once a while click this update thingy here. So let's do that. And now it says Well, it says it should be updated, but let's check. Okay, so there is no updates available at the moment. So now my computer is up to date. So these are the three steps: turning off the computer once a week, checking the Windows updates once a period, once a month, something like that, checking the computer's own updates again once a month or once a period. But I would always do it first in this way: first the Windows updates, and then doing the computer's updates after that. So this is the way you keep your computer running for a long time.